Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. If you've been sad about the lack of sales that your business is getting, despite your posting content to the Instagram platform as an adult entrepreneur, please allow me to share with you my thoughts on why your link in bio on Instagram shouldn't be to your website. Because I'm telling you, if you're leaving the link to your website in the website space in your Instagram bio, you're falling for a big old head fake, and I'm going to tell you why. But before I forget, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get real-world help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. Okay, here's one of the most controversial things that I teach my students typically, and it usually sets off a few people. But then when they hear from my longtime students, say those who have been with me since 2016 or 19 moving forward, and they hear that, yes, this is good advice, well, they try it themselves and surprise, normally they're converted over to my side of the fence on this issue. Let's see why your link in bio on Instagram shouldn't be to your website after all. Lead capture is key. I know that sales are the most important macro conversion for your business to get, right? I mean, come on, we're adult entrepreneurs and you're likely not following a straight up influencer business model. There's nothing wrong with that model. But look, you're likely selling products, selling services, selling courses, selling digital downloads, what have you. And do you know what? You need sales from people shopping your website every single day, don't you? I hear you. So do I. But here's the thing. Most people do not buy the first time they go to your website. They just don't. Most people need to be, if you will, digitally wined and dined by you via your relationship marketing. And sure, you can do that with social media posts on Instagram and elsewhere. You can do that with videos you upload on behalf of your business on YouTube. Sure, of course, but you want to strike while the iron's hot and get some form of macro conversion out of them on behalf of your business when people go to visit your profile and bio on Instagram. But unfortunately, statistically speaking, most people won't buy from you immediately after that. Not right away. You have to put some deposits into the bank of KLT or increase the know, like, and trust factor with that lead, that Instagrammer who discovered your content in search or on the explore page or what have you, and now they're checking out your profile and its bio and the content of your account, its feed, and so on. But unfortunately, most people do not drop all the way down to the bottom of a sales funnel and buy right away. They just don't, most of them. You need to establish a relationship with them, engage in relationship marketing with them, usually to get that most important macro conversion, which is a sale. So what can you do, you ask, so that you can strike while the iron is hot when someone discovers you on Instagram, loves your content, and then is intrigued by you? You do not have the little pointing hand emoji or downward pointing arrow emoji in your bio point to a website link, but to an email opt-in link instead. And you add some words in your bio. You don't have a lot of room, so you may need to rework that bio to fit these words in, but you want some words in your bio that say something like, click to get 20% off your first purchase, or something that's more applicable to your business model. So if you're not a physical products-based business, let's say you can have the word say, click here to get a free cheat sheet. Whatever your email opt-in bribe is, you want to make sure that it's free or a coupon, whatever is applicable, because you know what? You're more likely to get a conversion that way. The macro conversion of someone joining your email list by them opting in when something is free, easy, a discount, whatever. You don't need a lot of KLT to get someone to act on that. You need a lot more usually to get a sale. Let someone get a discount through a coupon, and when your email delivers a coupon or coupon code, it can certainly contain the hyperlink to your website, and that person's a lot more likely to go and make a specific point to check your business and its offerings out on your website. Why? They're more motivated to do it now. That coupon or discount gives you leverage. If someone gets a freebie checklist or free training video, something like that, maybe because that is better for your business model. Okay, if you knock their socks off and they're impressed, somewhere on that cheat sheet, somewhere in the video, and definitely somewhere in the email that delivers their goodie, guess what? Your website will be there. But this is the point where I have someone freak out on me and say, well, why shouldn't my link in bio be my website? If someone's psyched about my business due to the content I'm putting out, why not just go for the sale and run the risk that I don't get it? Okay, but listen, people suffer from shiny object syndrome. Without the leverage of a coupon or discount, without them having a lot of KLT in connection with your brand, you don't have leverage. They don't have a bunch of familiarity with you, your business, and its offerings. So guess what? You're not likely to convert, and people are busy. They have shiny object syndrome or squirrel syndrome. Just send them to that website without much leverage or much of a relationship established first, and they're likely gonna look, open up other tabs, and then just digitally float away. You're a busy person, right? You haven't, with all due respect, cornered the market on busy. Without some sort of leverage like a discount, time-sensitive deal, or a lot of KLT, people are just so busy that they'll likely look at your website and be gone. Once that tab is closed, do you know what happens next? Out of sight, out of mind, but not if they've opted into your email list. You can continue emailing them until such time as they unsubscribe, but if you're providing value and not always hardcore selling to them, they're very unlikely to do so. They're very unlikely to unsubscribe. If they're a true member of your niche, they're very unlikely to unsubscribe too. About 50% of people opt into email lists expecting to be sold to on a regular basis. Surprise! If they don't want your freebie or discount, whatever your email opt-in bribe is, then guess what? They don't want you to sell to them, which means, oh yeah, they weren't gonna buy from you anyway. Make sense? Better bio equals better conversions. I covered a lot of details about having a beautiful, effective bio on Instagram in my recent video, 2021 Instagram Marketing Strategy. So if you've not watched that video, please make sure you watch that video after you're done watching this one. It'll catch you up on a lot, so I won't repeat all that here. But suffice it to say, your bio needs to contain wording that says succinctly, you haven't much space, who you are, who you serve, how it benefits them, and then they need to click the link to get the freebie, the discount, what have you. That's it. The 3 macro conversions all businesses today need to worry about are, 1, getting more followers or subscribers, whatever the particular platform parlance is. Here on Instagram, it's followers. 2, more email opt-ins. 3, more sales. You can't deposit followers in the bank. So they're important to get for social proof and to keep marketing to them through more organic social media content marketing for sure. And before you say, hey, you can't deposit email opt-ins in the bank either, let me tell you, you practically can. About 3/4, thereabouts, of a successful business's sales can come from their email VIPs or email list members monthly. Email has a 3,800% return on investment according to Benchmark. It's also been said that 81% of small businesses today rely on email opt-ins for their lead retention, and that when email marketing is done properly, it can account for 80% retention rate of those email VIPs. Seriously, go for the conversion that you can get to strike while the iron's hot, getting someone on your email list, and then you're more likely to get the sale from them. 75% of the time through your emails. Email marketing is not dead, my friends, and it's such an important topic that I'm putting out another video that will solely focus on this topic, okay? there you have it. Those are my suggestions as to why your link in bio on Instagram shouldn't be to your website. Need more help? Be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.